Food baby, I love food, and I know that you do food too. Today we go to Nicaragua. We have Gallo Pinto, rice and beans with an egg on top. Oh man, this will be so great. I added some tomato, a bit of spring onion and stuff, and the egg. Yeah, can't wait. Super nice breakfast. And we have a green coffee from Nicaragua as well. I have never tried green coffee, but it's a bit too hot now, so we want to start with this dish, and this yolk will be super nice for sure. So there we go. I'll use a spoon today. And this is always the moment. I'll show you the rice that I did. Looks like this. Tomatoes a bit, and oh yeah, cannot wait to try this. I love rice. Yep, onions as well. Tomato, bit of egg. That is fantastic. Breakfast for every day for me. I wish they would serve something like this in Germany. Maybe they do, but I don't know where. So good with the beans, with the rice, salt of course. The egg on top, this is top notch. Of course I will finish this in a second, but for me the Gallo Pinto gets 86 points. Amazing dish. Let's check out this green coffee. Sonnentor is the company, but it comes from Nicaragua. Oh, interesting. Nutty, I would say. A very mild flavor. But definitely also in the direction of coffee. Like, yeah, a very weak coffee. So it was in a little sachet like a tea, and then 2 to 3 minutes. And yeah, that's it. It is something else for a change, although I surely prefer like black coffee. But interesting, yeah. I think I need to have it more often to really be able to evaluate it. But this green coffee from Nicaragua gets 62 points. But this here, amazing. Do it, get a recipe online. I just, checked out recipes, but then I also added some stuff. Yeah, you will not be disappointed for sure. This is super nice for breakfast. There you go, Nicaragua rocks, and comment, like or dislike, subscribe of course to my channel, ring the bell, see ya!